In the past 6 months, social media usage has skyrocketed by 30%, and the pressure to constantly produce engaging content has never been greater. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the task of managing your social media presence, you're not alone. The good news is that AI has finally caught up with the social media landscape, and its capabilities are no longer limited to just basic automation. This video will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to harness the power of AI for social media, from scheduling posts to designing visuals. Let's start with scheduling, a crucial aspect of maintaining a consistent social media presence. To do this, we'll be using Hootsuite's AI-powered scheduling feature. First, sign into your Hootsuite account and navigate to the Compose tab. Here, you'll see a variety of options to create and schedule a post. Click on Advanced and select AI-generated post from the drop-down menu. The AI-powered post composer will then take over, asking you a series of questions to determine the tone and